Oh, definitely March of the Penguins here.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to another edition of Borders on Budgets. On this episode, we are at the Gdansk Zoo with a colony of African penguins who are camera shy. Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to this pack of matches, and thank you very much for tuning in. Seems like this should be on the Blair Witch next episode. What a reminder, Borders on Budgets. How much fish do the penguins eat on a daily basis, and what type of fish?
They eat about 30 kilograms a day, and fish are herrings.
We had to do a Google Translate as to what the fish is called in English. In Polish, it's called a śledź, and yeah, it's herring. The bird keeper at the Gdansk Zoo is Kamil, and we're going to see him try to feed the penguins during an off hour. Oh, and why the gloves?
Because I don't want my hands to smell like herring.
Ah, okay. Śledź. Whoops! Penguins fleeing the scene. I guess herring is not enough for them to be photogenic today.
The penguins know that something unnatural is going on right now, because I came with the fish at the wrong hour, so they won't cooperate with us.
Good idea for the penguin enclosure to be protected with an electric wire. Oh, the penguins know something's happening. I'm not trying to molest these creatures. Avoiding touching the wire to get a close-up of penguins huddling in a defensive posture.
So the penguins see that we're not doing anything to them. I'm not gonna hurt them or anything. I'm just tossing some fish. So I hope that maybe some will come and take straight from my hand. But can't promise that.
While they're distracted by one fish, I'm going to move to a better position.
They are being very careful right now, because normally I would be surrounded by penguins.
Penguin nervousness.
Nope. This one wasn't good. They are being very, very careful right now.
This is quite surprising. I've never known an animal to turn down food before.
No.
Retreat of the penguins.
Now that I'm gone, they are brave, even the white one.
And what is the characteristic, particularly, of an African penguin?
So they like warmer temperatures, but they are adapting fine to winters in Europe, and they can be outside all year.
The albino penguin. What makes him her? What makes the albino penguin different?
She's different because she's white, you know. But no, it's the second case of an African penguin in captivity.
So, how old is the albino penguin?
She's actually a few months old. She hatched 14th December of 2018.
Okay, penguin, do something. Waddle, flap, fly, anything.
I don't
Step.
think they're gonna fly.
Wow. Where is it? 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 Did I not get it? How did I miss a stork? Harry the heron likes to hang around the penguin's herring. I know it's not a hot day in Gdansk today, but shouldn't the penguins be in the water?
Yes, well, they usually like to swim, especially the white penguin. But some of them are going through molting process right now, and their feathers are not waterproof right now, so they prefer to avoid water.
You know, throughout this video, we forgot to mention the name of the albino penguin. And probably it didn't occur to us is because she was just named today. Her name is coaxed, meaning coconut cookie.
I think the penguins are getting used to us because we're standing here for a while and it's pretty unnatural for them to see two people at once in this place.
Well, I suppose with calm penguins, this would be as good a time as any as to bid adieu. So, on behalf of Camille, the bird keeper at the Gdansk Zoo, thank you very much for tuning in. A reminder, borders on budgets, long distance hikes, slices of life, not a lot of money. From Gdansk, Poland, thank you once again, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. Ooh, tunnel! It's a tunnel! Oh, how neat! Woo, woo! Towel, please!
There you go.
Thank you. Say, did you like this episode? Great. Help Borders on Budgets. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and please share this video with your friends who love animals.